Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, last class we had discussed about the application of computers. Application of computers here, computer in business, how we are using computer in business, how to do business work, and here anytime you go bank or railway reservation, counter off, pay electricity bill, like this we are doing the work with computer. Then computer at home for used for education, for entertainment homes, and if you want to write letters, reports, email, playing games, this all we are doing with the help of computer. Then come to the medicine and healthcare. Medicine and healthcare means in the medicine session, computer are used to diagnose illness, monitoring patient that you are knowing. Some are taking X-ray or sonography, CT scan, MRI. These are done with the help of this computer with monitoring. Then healthcare is used for diagnosis purpose, for surgery. Some medical students were learning surgery with the help of the virtual reality also. Then communication means with the help with the computer, we are communicating with people with different parts of world through internet. Through internet we connected to each other and we discuss about the views, about the things which we are doing or which we are studying. And then educations are effectively used in classroom, museum, libraries. Means uh, sometimes if you want to create a project or develop a project, then with the help of then the teamwork, we are doing the project work with this with some technology, with this computer technology. And in library also we can read magazine and journals directly from computer terminals. Then come to the science, research and engineering. Scientists and engineers use the computer as to a tool to experiment, design and develop their ideas and projects. Researchers can have access to information from distance location through computer without actual going there. So here how to do that, scientists and engineers were using that tool experiment design and then develop their ideas for projects. And then research also they were doing. Then computers are used to study and do research in various area. Means that natural disaster we are having, effects of earthquake on buildings, then effects of pollution on weather, then impact of nuclear test. This can be studied without actually carrying out the nuclear test. Then outer space, solar system and cosmos. In computer aided designing, various 3D object can be designed, flipped, rotated, resized, view in the detail, examine internally or externally. These are we are do study and do research in this field. Then manufacturing. Sorry. Manufacturing in power plants that generate steam of electricity, computers can monitor pressure and temperature at hundreds of critical points throughout the plant. Manufacturing with computers and robots is called computer aided manufacturing. So here with the help manufacturing, what we are doing the manufacturing power plant, they were doing the manufacturing work of electricity through steam, and with the computer it monitors the pressure and temperature of different critical points. And then by the police department, computers are used to store large database of crimes, records of criminals, stolen car. Then police can gain access to information like the owner of the car license number and other relevant information within second. Then DNA and fingerprinting technique can positively identify someone with the help of blood, skin or hair sample collected from a crime site. So these are the work the police were doing with the help of computers to find the stolen thing and then to store a large database of crime also. And then at the time they were find out the stolen car license number and then relevant information within second. Then DNA test, DNA and fingerprinting techniques also, the test also will help help in computer. Then government, computers also used by government for various things such as census work, calculation of per capita income, etc. Computers are used by government to collect, process and store vast amount of information. Railway reservation, airways reservation, income tax processing, etc. is done with the help of computer. Like this the government were doing. Then military personnel also make use of computers for crucial tasks like computing the trajectories of missiles, determine the weather conditions for military aircraft to take off, broadcasting information, etc. So in military they were computing for the tragedies of missiles, then determine the weather conditions for military aircraft, that they will check the weather, they will check the weather forecast and give the information whether the aircraft have to fly or not. Then music, there are varied range of computer software available for an amateur or a professional to use. In order to create your own soundtrack, the computer allow you to record your voice and instruments one layer at a time. Then mixing and mastering allows you to change the music by adding special effects to it. DJ use mixing to recreate popular songs. Mastering is putting finally touches to the piece of music. So music, we are using multimedia. With the help of this multimedia we can create our own music. Multimedia is a software, so we can create our own music, and then if we want to sing a song also, we can record our voice also. Like this we are using computer in music purpose or in music purpose. And then nowadays we are using the DJ, use mixing the recreate popular song. And then mastering is putting final touches the piece of music also. Then theater, film and television, computers are used to control stage lighting and sound effects also. So film and television use computers to incorporate astounding computerized special effects. Movies and contain many visual tricks that could never be accomplished without the aid of computer. So while making a movie and television serials, with the help of this we are using many effects also. And in theater also, some lighting, stage sound effects we are giving with the help of computer, with different stage lighting and effects also. Then cartoon and animations, in earlier days cartoon and animations were made with great difficulty, the artist to draw every picture by hand. Nowadays cartoon can be made easily with the on the computer through computer animations. So we are making cartoon, and then how to do means cartoon is walking, cartoon is miming, running. With the help of this computer software we can uh, jump, we can run, we can sing, or we can dance the cartoon and animations. Then weather forecast, computers are used to forecast different types of natural calamities, temperature, rainfall, snowfall. For example, cyclone can be predicted 2-3 days prior to their occurrence. Means with the help of this weather forecast we can imagine that the that about the upcoming cyclones or hurricanes or natural disasters 2 or 3 days before, that we have to alert, that we alert all the human beings and all the areas where they will fall there. Like this we are using. Then robotics deals with the design, construct and use of robots. This technology are used to develop machines that can substitute for humans and replicate human actions. Then electronic publishing is the computer where computer perform all the necessaries to produce a publications. So with the help of these electronic publications, if we want to publish our thing, our book or our thing, then with the help of this we can do. And then robotic means we have to do that design first, and then how to use that constructed, and how to use the robots we can use with the help of different technologies. So with this I had completed the application of computer. So you all go through this, and then next class we'll discuss the classification of computer. Thank you.